Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide posts on Instagram that somebody tag you on. Okay, let's dive in. First thing, let's launch the Instagram app. Then go on your profile, hitting the lower right corner. Now when you're at the profile, you have three separation on your content. So first one is over here, essentially your posts. The middle one will be your reels. And the third one will be the posts that you have been tagged on. These usually are posts from other people. So all these people tag me, okay? I didn't create none of these contents. I didn't participate in any of this content, okay? So now I'm going to show you how to hide these images. So you want to click on this image. I'm not in this image, right? But I've been tagged on this image. So if you click in the middle, you will find my account over here. Now click back again. You want to click on the top three dots over here on the image. Then you have a couple of options. First thing you want to do, probably you want to see the tag options, right? When you click tag options, I can first remove myself from the post. Then I can hide this picture from my profile. So essentially my tag will remain on the picture, but this will not appear on my profile, like I show you the third separation of my profile. So if I want to keep my tag on, I'm just going to click hide from my profile. But like I said, I don't take any part for any of this page or creation or something, so I'm going to remove myself from this particular tag. And as you can see, I will be removed and it will be hidden from your profile. Okay, this is the double functionality when you click remove tag from particular image, because if I selected the second option, which was just hide this picture from my account, I will remain tagged. Okay, I will remain tagged, but this simply will not show on my account. But when you click remove me and remove the tag with me on from this picture, it is not just the tag has been removed, but the content will be removed as well. I hope you guys understand the difference. And when you click and select that, you're gonna get this small notification from Instagram, and you're gonna get confirmation that you have been removed. And they advise you who can actually tag you in the future. Do you want to change the settings? Everyone, people you follow, or no one? It's all up on you. This time I prefer to be tagged from people I follow. If you want to grow, probably you want to let everyone else to let you, because you see we are refreshing and the picture with the tag is no longer here. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.